So hello again, my name is GC and today I'll test Discord's new overlay, which is really cool. You can change the position of your voice channel overlay, your notification overlay, and you can also mute deafen yourself, or you can connect and disconnect from a voice channel. And that's a really good implementation. Now you will not have to open Discord every time if you just wanna mute yourself. And this overlay is lighter and faster than legacy overlay, so it will give you more FPS, but is it true? Let's find out. So for that, first I tested GTA 5 benchmark tool without overlay. I was just sitting in the voice channel and the overlay was off. In that case, I was getting around 135 FPS on average. Then I turned on legacy overlay and performance was same, no difference at all. Then I tested new overlay. In that case also the performance was same. So if you're just using this overlay for voice channel, then it is good, there is no performance hit. Then I tested all three cases while watching the stream. I was streaming from my second account and watching from my main. In that case, no overlay was giving same FPS as before, but legacy overlay was dropping FPS around 3% and new overlay was dropping FPS by 5 to 6%. Obviously we are watching the stream with the overlay, so it will definitely impact, but it's not that bad. So in conclusion, it does not matter what overlay you use unless you use some features like this streaming overlay. So go with new overlay, which is really handy and it will make your life easier. Now if you play GTA 5 Enhanced Edition and not getting good FPS, then watch this optimization video. It will definitely increase your FPS. And that was it for this video. I hope I helped you, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.